Hello guys, and welcome back to the next episode of S.T.A.L.K.E.R Shadow of Chernobyl OG playthrough. Picking up right where we last left off. I'm going to head up into the military base and try to take it down. So, let's see what we can do. Yes, please move to the next level. That was probably a stupid mistake there, but whatever. Yep, there's the alarm. Okay, let me hit the quick save. I remember vividly that looping siren just being very, very annoying. Hello? That's him gone. You know, it's funny. I was just thinking to myself, what if somebody comes from the left? And then bam. Almost immediately, that's what happens. This guy behind me or something? I know there's at least the guys in the guard towers left. Oh, hello, sir. That didn't kill anybody. Oh, that was good. That was a good one. Oh, he's inside. Ah! No, nothing. I think it's on the far side of the wall. Okay, there he goes. What happened with this guy in here? Oh, he's still sleep. Sleep. It's not a guard tower guy here, is there? No. This guy got blasted into the nth dimension. Alright, so I think we still have guard tower guys left. Yeah, there's a guard tower guy over there. Unaware of my presence, as they say. Damn. Okay, there he goes. One guard tower guy down. I think there's one more, and then I think I have to clear the buildings. Just double checking here. I don't think there's anything crazy in here, but we'll check it anyway. Just clear these buildings out. Nothing in the safe. Okay. Let's keep on keeping on here. Oh yeah, there's definitely still guys in here. What the? What the freak? Oh, I got lucky there. What a strange place for that guy to hide. What? He's got nothing on him. I was robbed. Okay, let's check this guy's pockets. There he is. Okay. Let's clear the base here. It's like this weird delayed reaction to when you want to put the knife away and take out your AK. Ammo, yes sir. Okay, where's the last man standing here?
Marked one. I told Barkeep about you. He should talk to duty guys to let you through. I suggest you go see him fast.
Oh, here we go. More military guys are coming now. Come and get me, coppers! They're already inside. This might be a bad place to take position. Oh, for God's sakes. Ugh. Okay. All right then. Agoy? What? You know what? You know what? Who the last... Oh my God. Guys, I want to go down. There we go. Jeez. Actually burning through my ammo like crazy here. Alright, that is the base cleared. Base cleared, documents secured. Did these guys, right? Yep. Yep. Guard tower guy I got. Okay, we're good. All right, let's go hit that stash real quick. Then we'll get out of here. Oh my God. Again. Guys, please, I'm like actually... Alright, the hell with this. Screw you. Oh, there is a way out back here. How handy. Another one of those artifacts. Oh, that stash kind of sucked, not gonna lie. Why am I getting the feeling they chased me all the way over here? Maybe because they did. I don't know. Uh-huh. Sure thing, guys. Sure thing. Alright, we're just gonna circumnavigate these last guys. Feel like the military's taken enough of a beating. Whoa! I'm dead. Or not. What? How am I alive? And where did these guys come from? You guys love trying to shoot you through walls, huh? Jeez. There's another one over here. Oh, yes. That's one way to conserve ammo. There's another one over there. What is going on? The whole of the agripom is controlled. Got him. Yeah, note to self, if looking to conserve ammo, throw grenades at opponents. I love it. I don't know why my mouse sensitivity is so slow in the menu. But it is. Alright, let's get out of here. Well, it's good to see that in my attempts to avoid the military, I ran into more military. Truly inescapable opponents. Stash up here? Alright, let's check it out. What? There's nothing here. Oh, it's a radioactive trap. Safe under the bush. Well, that was a lie. That was an outright lie. Safe in the bush, my ass. What is this? My God. A group of identical bandits. Who are they fighting? That grenade didn't hit anybody. Ow, 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 ow. Got the key to victory. Whoops. Hang on. Oh, hang on. Whoa! Hello, my good sir. Hello. Hello, Mr. GP25. Hiya. Kinda like it. Who are these guys shooting it out with? Just some random army bro? Just an army bro? Out for a stroll? No, I didn't want that. Yep, just a military guy. Out for a walk. Wow, bandit with an Oban and a grenade launcher on it. Ah, damn, damn. Too heavy. Alright, get rid of it. We'll find though. I also don't have any grenades for it. That's the other thing, right? Like I don't have any ammo for the grenade launcher. Another artifact. Just artifacts all over the place. Alright, let's roll. S.T.A.L.K.E.R. Whoa, whoa, whoa! There's an... There's an army over there. What the heck and heck? It's the only way out. Seven. Don't know if this was the wisest place to take cover in. There's not really many places I can go if they kind of rush me. Oh my god. That was a good one. I got like 3 or something. Oh, now they're fighting the dogs. What? This guy's got wise. They're going the long way. Shit. Well, now the dogs show up. Yeah. This is a tough spot. I'm low on ammo and everything else basically. Oh. Really? Oh, I saved right as he comes around the corner. No. No. Oh, no. What? So weird. It's like that. Oh, shit. Sometimes when you load in, it's almost like they get a free shot through the wall. I gotta loot these guys for ammo. Actually, I had to loot these guys for ammunition. Alright, well, there's more guys shouting, so there's at least one more. I only got 2 guys with that grenade. Man, grenades are a lot less useful in OG S.T.A.L.K.E.R. Three more. Can't. Okay, 1. Two. Oh, I see him. 3. Nice. Got him. Alright. That was like 12 guys. But patience won the day. Let's get the hell out of here. Yes, please. Woo! Buddy. What? Huh? More banditos, and I wish I had grenades. I do like that if a buckshot pellet hits a guy in the face, it counts as a headshot. I mean, it's obviously very RNG, but it's nice when it happens. Gonna try and make a run to close some distance. What? Hey, keep closing the distance. That didn't kill anybody. Sleep. Whew. Oh my god, there's 1,000 of them. Oh my goodness. How many bandits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up on the hill, 10, 11. Holy smokes, man. For God's sakes, I don't have that much ammo. Bro, where are all these bandits coming from? What even is this? Demetrio Pinocchio. Guy just ate a slug, by the way. You can't shoot. Bro, why are there so many bandits? Why are there so many bandits? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. There's so many. There's so freaking many. How do I do this? I think that guy just got killed by his own dude. Unfortunate for him. Are these more bandits coming? Wow, it is too. Holy shit. Stop. I'm actually resorting to grabbing ammo off these guys as I fight them. Weapon quality starting to slip a bit. Wow, that guy just absorbed it all. Okay, sure. Wow, I'm like out of everything. Yeah, go dogs, get him. Yes. Animals are our friends. Give me goddamn ammo. Yeah, cheeky breaky. Cheeky breaky my fucking balls, buddy. Okay, got one. Literally just grabbing everything I can off these guys. How did he hit me? No! Oh my god, I'm all the way back here. I gotta get the hell out of here. Like, I can't actually do this. There's so many bandits. So many bandits. Oh, there's friendly stalkers inside the train hangar? Why didn't they tell me that before? Hey guys, how are you? I'll take some of that. Yes, sir. Alright, we'll quick save it here. Thank God. Cheeky bricky. Nothing. Nothing. Have I already killed these guys? I think I did. Whew. Got down into cover as soon as that guy came around the corner. That's probably not the best way to do that. Hey, friendly stalkers, anytime you guys want to get in on this, you know, you just let me know. What? Ah! Ay, ay, ay. 3 left, apparently. Allegedly. Well, that guy was low on health. Died in like 2 shots. Gotta loot ammo. Oh, hello. This guy was big worth. There's probably a guy hiding in here. No? Is this bandit jacket? Yeah. Okay. Oh. Oh my god, man. Come back for a reward. I didn't even do anything. I'd just like to take a moment to talk about how many bandits I've killed and how there's still like 7 out here. What the freak? Where are these guys coming from? Friggin' Doge. Mean to pick that up. These guys are trying to shoot me through a train. No big deal. Did I just see a guy here? What? What is the recoil on this 9x18 pistol? Jesus. It flies up every time you shoot it. Stop. Look at the dead bodies on the minimap, by the way. Alright, I think that's all of them. Jiminy cricket. Wait, I hear a wounded bandit somewhere. Oh, wounded military. Sorry, my friend. Oh.
God.
Wow. What a ridiculous fight. Seriously. This is vanilla, by the way. I haven't changed anything. I don't have any mods installed. This is just straight up vanilla. Just straight up 30 bandits. Just rolling up on a boy. Who do I even see about this reward? Come back for reward. Who the hell do I talk to about that? Well, this guy had good stuff. Come back for reward. Talk to the bar. All right. Okay then. Well, that was exciting. The Bandit faction, ladies and gentlemen. The Bandit faction. These guys are whack. Too damn heavy. Ditch the sausage. Yeah, I'll bet you guys want med kits. I'll bet you. What? Pass fail, get the artifact. Pass fit. What the hell? Oh, did what's his face leave? Did Wolf leave the Stalker camp? Yeah, I think that's what happened. I think Wolf left the rookie village, and now it's Fanatic is there. Right. I remember that plot line. Alright, let's go talk to the dude ears.
Attention everyone. This is duty outpost at the garbage. A horde of mutants is advancing from the Dark Valley towards the bar. Whoever helps us push back the scum won't regret it. Duty word.
Okay.
Don't expect gratitude. There's nothing to thank you for.
Yeah, it's true. I didn't do anything. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't do jack shit. Wasn't gonna waste ammo.
Buzz off, Stalker. We don't let every loser go through.
Can't go any further? Why? I need to pass. I have some business with the barkeep. Barkeep's told us. Say hi to barkeep. Cool. You guys don't have any money, so I'm just gonna zip on past. Alright, let's go meet up with barkeep. Oh, there's a stash right here. Nice. No! Still? Eat all the bread. Where do I see how much money I got? There we go. 17,000. Arf, arf, arf. Hello, Yara Candy-Capped. Wasn't a good day for you, was it? Yeah, that's about how that went. Oh! Oh, they're eating me. Oh, they're eating me alive. Duty checkpoint, why? Alright, we'll come back for that stash. We'll come back for that. Oh, this time he's got a hand grenade. Sure. Let me just try and ninja around this real quick. Since I'm overweight and don't have a lot of stamina. Run away! Oh! Help! Help! Duty checkpoint. For God's sakes. Do something, you dicks. There was a massacre by the outpost. What happened? Alright, thanks for the help, guys. Oh, here it is. S.T.A.L.K.E.R s. Alright, let's just hurry up and talk to barkeep, and then we'll end it for the day. There it is. Get out of here, Stalker. Don't stand there. I said get out of here, Stalker.
I said come in. Don't stand there.
Hell yeah.
I said come in. Don't stand there.
Barkeep, talk to me, my boy. Talk to me.
My information might well be of use to you.
Please talk to me.
How did I manage that?
Black Raven, circling above the grid.
Come here. I've always got something interesting.
Hey, Marked One. Have you brought the documents from the Institute?
I got him.
Great work, Marked One. We have the documents at last. I need to have a look at them now, and maybe I'll work out how to get north. While I do that, if you have problems with money, you can fight at the arena. The owner of the arena is Army. I've uploaded his coordinates.
Okay.
The documents you brought from the Institute make some things a little clearer, but we're still missing the info we need to get a full picture. A lab designated X-18 is mentioned, and its description matches the abandoned underground vaults in the Dark Valley. Looks like you'll have to go there and get the info we need. The lab is closed, and you need 2 electronic keys to get inside. I'll give you one, but you'll need to get the other one from Bull in the Dark Valley.
How did I manage that?
Go on.
All you have to do is acquire the second key to Lab X-18. Get inside and retrieve the second batch of documents. Don't forget to get yourself a protective suit, or you won't have a chance in hell getting to the lab. So, will you do it?
I'll do it. Great, I'll be waiting. I'm here for the job. Okay. I'd like to sell you a lot of stuff. That's okay. Oh, he gave me a new suit. Ballin'. Sell you that. Sell you some of that. Some of that. Some of those. A couple of these. A little bit of that. He was a good stalker. Yeah, buddy.
How did I manage that?
I'll sell you some bread, because why not? Sell you the Viper. Sell you that shitty ammo. Wow, 12,000 rubles worth. There you go, big guy. What's this new suit? 19, 19, 13, 19. Woo!
Above the grid.
Hey, Marked One.
Summer rains.
Damn it. Come here.
Still alive? That's great.
Any work? Killed a soldier. Yep.
Damn it, if only someone helped.
Kill the bandits in the garbage. Yep. Flesh eye. Sure. Meat chunk artifact. Damn. Just sold my meat chunks. Alright. See you later, buddy.
Come here. I've always got something interesting
Snitch.
for people like you. My information might well be of use to you, Stalker. Damn it, if only someone helped me.
Same thing day after day.
Hunter. Got a big problem, man. I lost my family rifle in the wild territory. I wanted to shoot some bloodsuckers,
Do you
but I
respect
barely
me?
got away. Damn, listen, bro. If you get it back, I'll pay you. Okay, I'll get it.
How did I manage that?
Damn. You can't go there. Day after day.
All right, that's where we're going to end it for today, guys. Made it to the bar, turned everything in, got some more missions, and we'll carry on in the next episode. Thanks for watching, everybody. What an episode this was.